Welcome. Today we will compare two new phones from 2025, the Google Pixel 9a and the Moto G 2025. The Pixel 9a came out in March and the Moto G 2025 was released in January. Both phones have cool features, but they are different in some ways. We will look at their screens, cameras, battery life, and how fast they work. This will help you choose the best phones for you. If you want to check the latest prices, we have put Amazon links in the description below. Let's start and see what makes the Google Pixel 9a and Moto G 2025 unique. The Google Pixel 9a and Moto G 2025 differ noticeably in body design and size. The Pixel 9a is smaller and lighter, measuring 154.7 by 73.3 by 8.9 millimeters, and weighing 186 grams, which makes it easier to hold and carry. It features a glass front with a strong aluminium frame and a plastic back, giving it a solid yet comfortable feel. The Moto G 2025 is larger and a bit heavier at 167.1 by 76.3 by 8.2 millimeters and 193 grams, offering a bigger screen but less compactness. Its design includes a glass front with Gorilla Glass 3, a plastic frame, and a back made from silicon polymer that looks like eco-leather, adding a unique texture. While the Pixel 9a has a higher water resistance rating, the Moto G has a water-repellent design. Overall, the Pixel 9a feels more compact and sturdy, whereas the Moto G 2025 offers a bigger size with a softer back. The Google Pixel 9a features a 6.3-inch QOLED display with a resolution of 1080 by 2424 pixels, offering a sharp pixel density of approximately 422 ppi. It supports HDR content and a 120 Hz refresh rate, delivering vibrant colors and smooth visuals. Its peak brightness reaches an impressive 2700 nits, with 1800 nits in high brightness mode, ensuring excellent visibility even in bright conditions. Additionally, it includes an always-on display and is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3. In contrast, the Moto G 2025 has a larger 6.7-inch IPS LCD screen with a lower resolution of 720 by 1604 pixels, resulting in a pixel density of around 262 ppi. It also supports a 120 Hz refresh rate and Gorilla Glass 3 protection, but lacks HDR and the high brightness levels found on the Pixel 9a. Overall, the Pixel 9a offers a superior display in terms of sharpness, brightness, and color quality. The Google Pixel 9a and Moto G 2025 both run Android 15, but the Pixel 9a promises up to 7 major Android upgrades, significantly more than the Moto G 2025's 2. In terms of chipset, the Pixel 9a is powered by the Google Tensor G4, built on a 4nm process, which offers better efficiency and performance compared to the Moto G 2025's MediaTek Dimensity 6300 on a 6nm process. The Pixel 9a features a more advanced CPU configuration with a high-performance Cortex X4 core and additional mid-tier cores, whereas the Moto G 2025 uses older Cortex A76 and Cortex A55 cores. GPU performance also favors the Pixel 9a's Mali G715 MP7 over the Moto's Mali G57 MC2, making the Pixel 9a superior for gaming and graphics-intensive tasks. Overall, the Pixel 9a offers a more powerful and future-proof platform. The Google Pixel 9a and Moto G 2025 differ notably in their memory and storage options. The Pixel 9a offers two internal storage variants, 128GB and 256GB, both paired with 8GB of RAM, utilizing UFS 3.1 technology for faster data transfer and improved performance. However, it does not support expandable storage via a memory card slot. In contrast, the Moto G 2025 provides internal storage options of 64GB and 128GB, each with 4GB of RAM, which is lower compared to the Pixel 9a. A key advantage of the Moto G 2025 is its dedicated micro SD-XC card slot, allowing users to expand storage beyond the built-in capacity. Overall, the Pixel 9a offers higher RAM and faster internal storage, but lacks expandable memory. Whereas the Moto G 2025 supports memory expansion, but comes with lower RAM and internal storage options. The Google Pixel 9a and Moto G 2025 both feature dual main cameras, but they differ significantly in specifications and capabilities. The Pixel 9a offers a 48MP wide sensor with a bright f1.7 aperture, larger 1/2.0 sensor size, 0.8 micrometer pixel size, dual pixel PDAF and OIS, complemented by a 13MP ultra-wide lens with a 120-degree field of view. In contrast, the Moto G 2025 has a slightly higher resolution, 50MP wide sensor, but with a smaller 0.61 micrometer pixel size and a narrower f1.8 aperture, plus a 2MP macro lens. The Pixel 9a excels in video capabilities, supporting 4K recording at 30 to 60 FPS and high frame rate slow motion, whereas the Moto G 2025 is limited to 1080p at 30 FPS. Overall, the Pixel 9a provides more versatile photography and superior imaging performance. The Google Pixel 9a features a 13MP ultra-wide selfie camera with an f2.2 aperture, a 20mm focal length, and 1.12 micrometer pixel size. It supports HDR and panorama modes, offering versatile shooting options. Additionally, the Pixel 9a can record video in 4K at 30 FPS and 1080p at 30 FPS, providing higher resolution video capabilities. In contrast, the Moto G 2025 comes with a 16MP wide-angle selfie camera with an f2.4 aperture and smaller 1.0 micrometer pixels. While it has a higher megapixel count, its aperture is narrower, which may affect low-light performance. The Moto G 2025 supports only 1080p video recording at 30 FPS, limiting its video quality compared to the Pixel 9a. Overall, the Pixel 9a offers more advanced camera features and better video resolution, while the Moto G 2025 emphasizes a higher megapixel count. The Google Pixel 9a is equipped with a 5100 mAh LiPo battery, slightly larger than the Moto G 2025's 5000 mAh battery, potentially offering marginally longer usage on a single charge. In terms of charging, the Pixel 9a supports 23 watts wired charging with PD 3.0, which ensures fast and efficient power delivery, along with 7.5 watts wireless charging for added convenience. On the other hand, the Moto G 2025 features a 30 watts wired charging capability, enabling faster wired charging speeds compared to the Pixel 9a, but lacks wireless charging support. Therefore, while the Moto G 2025 may charge quicker through wired means, the Pixel 9a provides more versatility with its wireless charging option, making it a better choice for users who prioritize convenience and flexibility. In summary, the Google Pixel 9a offers a clean Android experience with excellent camera performance and timely software updates. It's a great choice if you value photography and a smooth user interface. On the other hand, the Moto G 2025 provides solid battery life, a larger display, and good overall performance at a competitive price. It's ideal for those who want a reliable phone for everyday use and media consumption. Both phones have their strengths, so your choice should depend on what features matter most to you. Don't forget to check the Amazon links in the description for the latest prices and deals.